Alphablocks dash.
Ox.
Fox. Collect all the letters which spell fox. Ready, steady, race! Tap above the alpha block to move up. Tap below the alpha block to move down. Brilliant! What's the next letter? Have another go. See if you can collect.
Oh.
Well done! What's the next letter? Spot on!
Ox.
Fox! Spot on!
X.
Six! Six! Ready, steady, race! Spot on! What's the next letter? Let's try again. See if you can collect. Hooray! What's the next letter? Amazing!
X.
Six! Hooray! Ah! Van! Collect all the letters which spell van. Ready, steady, race! Amazing! Can you find this Alphablocks letter? Ah! Yay! Can you find this Alphablocks letter? Amazing! Ah! Van! Brilliant! You're a speedy Alphablocks racer! Well done! You've unlocked a sticker. Which sticker will you choose? You can choose another sticker next time. Try to collect them all. Van! Brilliant! Play again to unlock another sticker.